Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss about municipalities. Urban local government in India signifies the governance of urban areas by elected representatives. The jurisdiction is specific to demarcated urban areas designated by state governments. India hosts 8 types of urban local governments, including municipal corporations, municipalities, notified area committees, town area committees, cantonment boards, townships, port trusts, and special purpose agencies. Evolution of urban bodies. Urban local government institutions originated during British rule. Key events include the establishment of the first municipal corporation in Madras in 1688, followed by Bombay and Calcutta in 1726. Significant milestones include Lord Ripon's resolution of 1882, heralded as the Magna Carta of local self-government, and the appointment of the Royal Commission on Decentralization in 1907. Committees and commissions. Various committees and commissions have been formed to enhance urban local government functionality. These bodies aim to improve governance mechanisms and address urban challenges. Constitutionalization. The 74th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992 constitutionalized urban local governments, adding Part 9-8 to the Constitution. This part outlines provisions from Articles 243p to 243zg and introduced the 12th schedule, listing 18 functional items for municipalities. Salient features. The Act aims to revitalize urban governments, ensuring effective local governance. It provides for 3 types of municipalities and mandates reservations for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and women. Municipalities operate on a 5-year term and enjoy financial autonomy, bolstered by Finance Commission recommendations. Types of urban governments. India's urban governance includes municipal corporations, municipalities, notified area committees, town area committees, cantonment boards, townships, port trusts, and special purpose agencies. Each type serves specific urban administrative needs, from megacities to industrial areas. Municipal personnel. Municipal personnel systems vary, with separate, unified, and integrated systems across states. Institutions like the All India Institute of Local Self-Government and the National Institute of Urban Affairs provide training to municipal staff, enhancing their efficiency and effectiveness. Municipal revenue. Urban local bodies derive revenue from taxes, including property tax and entertainment tax, non-tax sources such as rent and user charges, grants from central and state governments, devolution, and loans. This diverse revenue base sustains urban infrastructure and services. The Central Council of Local Government, established in 1954, advises on urban governance matters in India. It comprises the Union Minister for Urban Development and State Ministers for Local Self-Government. Its functions include policy recommendations, legislative proposals, cooperation facilitation, program planning, financial assistance recommendations, and performance reviews of local bodies. This council plays a crucial role in shaping urban development strategies and ensuring effective governance at the local level. Understanding the intricacies of urban local government in India is crucial for effective urban governance and sustainable development. From historical evolution to contemporary reforms, India's urban governance landscape continues to evolve to meet the dynamic needs of its urban population. Thank you.